To use a song from Spotify as wake up alarm song of the sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap your current sleep schedule. Tap alarm sound. Select Spotify. And then select the desired song you like to use as the wake up alarm sound. Tap the back key twice. Tap save button. And then tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now your phone will play the selected song from the Spotify when wake up alarm in the sleep mode rings. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.